it's Kane Weather here. Today we're talking about the severe weather that's going to be going on today, overnight tonight. That's going to be continuing. So make sure you stay tuned for today's video. So I'm going to be showing you the risks, the tornado risk, everything else with the risk. I'm going to be showing you the future check radar, so you know exactly when the storms will hit your area tonight, and the surface-based cape. Make sure you stay tuned for today's video. And before I get into today's video, if you didn't notice, the microphone is way better. I do have a better mic, and I'm very excited about it. Definitely very better quality of sound now. So I hope you guys enjoy that. But definitely, let's get into the weather now, where we do have slight risk tonight. So let's start off with our first slight risk area here. So definitely have a slight risk here in parts of uh, most of mostly in Illinois and just a little bit of Indiana there, including the city of Chicago. So the city of Chicago, be prepared for wind gusts to 40 to 60 miles per hour possible, and large hail and damaging winds, definitely. And we have another slight risk over here in parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. So definitely be on alert in these areas here. And also over here in parts of Nebraska, and it just look at this. It tips the states right here just a little bit. So yeah, but definitely includes those three states here, mostly Nebraska Panhandle. But the good thing about this area is there's not a lot of population there. So that's a really good thing that it won't really hurt a lot of area. But the bad thing is we have another slight risk over here that does include the city of Chicago, which is a lot of population. So definitely need to be worried today about the weather. But definitely if you live in any of these areas, be on alert today. And yes, definitely be prepared tonight and tomorrow for the enhancers. I'll show you tomorrow's risk coming up in today's video too. But before we get any further in this on the weather, I would ask that you do subscribe and leave a like if you like weather related content. And make sure you share it to any friends that may live in these areas. And definitely South Dakota, which I'll show you coming up in the enhanced risk. So let's go ahead and take a look at our tornado risk, and we don't have a tornado risk. It's too low at this moment. I definitely could definitely think they might make one, but it's still pretty low risk. But let's start off with our first area here. We have a 15% chance of hail, including parts of Kansas and Oklahoma. Again, that's basically the same areas as slight risk, and so is over here. Basically, just the same areas as slight risk, except the one difference is we don't have one over here where the slight risk was over here. That's one different. But yes, definitely this is where we're going to see the most hail. Again, that's a 15% risk of hail. And if you definitely look here, in these green shaded areas here, definitely could see some hail, but it's definitely lower. And if you do see some hail, it probably will be smaller. But yes, let's go and take a look at our wind threat for ongoing overnight tonight. So this definitely has all three areas included in it. We have one here, including the city of Chicago. You guys need to be on alert tonight. Make sure your phones aren't muted tonight, just in case any weather alerts go off. Not gonna probably, just so you know, we're probably not gonna see that many tornadoes tonight, but definitely tomorrow we could see some tornadoes. So definitely be on alert. And we have all these areas. Oops, on all these areas here, definitely do have a slight risk. And you see in these green shaded areas here, that's where we have a possibility for some wind. Again, that's our wind threat, 15% chance. So let's go and take a look at tomorrow's set. We do have an enhanced risk. So definitely see that enhanced risk tomorrow for parts of South Dakota, South Dakota and Nebraska. And if you look very closely, it does not include North Dakota, as you can see. So let me just make this really small. Does not include North Dakota right there. So North Dakota, you guys are in the clear, but you guys still could see some storms. You guys, North Dakota is in a slight risk. You see our enhancers right here. Definitely be weather aware tomorrow. Definitely could see some large hail damaging winds. Wind gusts 40 to 60 miles per hour possible. Actually, sorry, up to wind gusting up to 80 miles per hour possible tomorrow. Definitely be on alert. We have a slight risk surrounding that, extending all the way down to parts of Missouri. And yes, definitely that area as well. Could see wind gusts 40 to 60 miles per hour. That's where that area is. And you see some marginal risks here. Definitely could see some weather over here too as well in the northeast here. You definitely have a marginal risk there. Let's go and take a look at our tornado risk tomorrow, which I definitely think they could bump this up in this area here. Not so much in the northeast, definitely gonna see a lot less of severe weather, but definitely think we could see a 5% risk somewhere along these lines in this area here. Definitely could. What we're seeing, or probably more south here, because probably more like this, because definitely could see some. I saw a big storm right here on the radar, so definitely could see that, and I'll show you that coming up. So stay tuned. But yes, definitely could see this 2% come bumped up to a 5% here. And we do have a 2% in the northeast as well. So definitely make sure you have your alerts on and go in your shelter if there's a tornado warning issued for your area. Definitely have a chance of seeing that. Let's quickly look at our hail threat here. Again, we have the worst chance of seeing some hail, best chance of seeing some large hail tomorrow. Again, this is tomorrow. The biggest chances right there. Also, a 15% risk in this area right here. So definitely could see some hail there as well. As you can see in the screen shaded area, that's a 5%. Again, 15% risk of large hail tomorrow. So let's go and take a look here at our wind threat, which our wind threat's definitely the main concern. Definitely in this area here. Definitely do see some really strong winds possible, mostly in this area, but also a 30% chance of strong winds here. Definitely possible tomorrow. Again, I will have a video update on this tomorrow, so definitely stay tuned for that. Make sure you have those alerts on so you get alerted about that. And as you can see right here, we do have a 15% chance of severe weather in parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, a little bit of Iowa, a little bit of Missouri, a little bit of Kansas. And yes, definitely those states are all included there. And that's only a 15% risk. We also see in the screenshot area here, that's our 5% risk for severe weather. Also, forgot to mention something, 5% risk in the northeast too. Let me see, I think I forgot to mention that in the, nope, don't have it in northeast for the hail threat, so that's good. Only in the wind threat. So that's about it for the severe weather. So let me go time this out like I said I would. Oh, I'll get to that. But let's start off with the future radar and then go to surface-based CAPE. And so starting off here, this is about midnight tonight. As you can see, definitely this is why this is an overnight situation. Definitely have a way to get those alerts. Definitely do see some storms start to really fire up about midnight tonight. Again, that's really strong storms there, parts of Iowa and Illinois. And definitely watch as we go into the really early morning hours here, about 6 a.m. here. Definitely in the exact area there. Definitely overnight to very early morning situation here. Definitely when people are sleeping. If you wake up early to go to work or just start the day, or a morning person, definitely you will see some showers as you start to wake up for the morning here. Definitely. And those start to move. This is about midnight the next night. And they definitely just start to go out. And look how clear we are after that. But yes, definitely that is the storms. And let's talk about the Northeast now. And definitely look here. This is about 6 a.m. on Saturday. That's too far in the future. Yes, about 6 a.m. on Saturday. Again, that's why about there we do see that risk right there. So yes, definitely that's why. That's going overnight. So again, if you're confused, you thought, oh, I thought the risk was on Friday. Well, it's Friday night, basically really late Friday night. Definitely do see some storms at the fire up. These can be overnight situations here. I start to move into New York by about 6 o'clock that day. Wow, 6 o'clock p.m. So definitely moves fast. Well, not fast. Definitely, sorry. Definitely moves um, sorry, I can't talk. Definitely moves into New York as it keeps going throughout Saturday. And then it moves into Canada and it's out of the United States. We don't have to worry about it anymore. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I definitely hope you enjoyed this video with my new microphone. Definitely really excited about that. See the red subscribe button right there? Click on that to subscribe. Have a video update on this tomorrow. So definitely have those post notifications turned on. Leave a like and comment down below if you have any questions about the weather. Definitely comment them down below and I should be able to answer you. So definitely leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!